circling moon, O lunar glory in the midnight sky, I call on thee to bless thy servant's tongue. Descend upon thy pillar of light. Moonbeam blessings that from my mouth may pour forth at least a fraction of my love for thee. Sweet blessings for service to God's creation and his creative word. The Bible's thundering verses, Brahma of the Upanishads, Allah the compassionate, Buddha's meditative mystery, Confucius and Tao. O great spirit of the many peoples and the tribes, if I have ever sacrificed for thee long years drinking water from a wooden bowl, hear my appeal and inspire me to sing the tale supernal upon the moon, the parliament of poets, assemblage of thy devoted ones, God intoxicated, survey the cosmos and the centuries. In the mid-part of the moon I stood, in the midst of the Sea of Tranquility, looking around me from rim to curving rim, the brilliant moonscape against the blackest black of space, stark blackness, polarities of light and night where a human footstep marked a giant leap forward in lunar dust for all mankind. Footsteps still all about, undisturbed, untouched by decades of time, destined to remain for all time, eternity or as near to it as we can imagine, unlike what Robinson Crusoe found, an ephemeral footprint on a beach. Here with instruments and a flag unfurled in the solar wind, half a lunar module, the descent platform left far behind, the glory of the moon and all creation. And then I saw him sitting upon his nag, Rosinante, Don Quixote, a lance resting across his saddle as he leaned closer to me, looking annoyed, eyeing me from his mount.